What it do, YouTube, and happy holidays. It's your boy, a DJ named Slick, back one more time with another video for you guys. So first and foremost, I hope you guys had a Merry Christmas, a couple days from New Year's. I want to go ahead and tell everybody Happy New Year's ahead of time. Mine was great. Spent a lot of time with the family, ate a lot of good food, drank a lot of good beer, so I was good to go. What I did notice though is I've been monitoring like responses on my channel for a video that I did about why you should not use Keeps or for Hims or any of those I guess you could say larger companies that advertise to you a lot. I did a video because I found a better way or a more cost-effective way to get those same products to put a lot of money back into your pocket. And the resounding question that I got on a lot of these comments was, is it, first of all, how do you do it? You know, like the actual step-by-steps, and is it the same thing, or can we trust it? Like those type of questions, which were all legitimate questions. I've noticed, and I appreciate this, a lot of people have commented about my transparency, about how much I've showed them. And so instead of me just telling you guys to use these other products, what I decided to do is I'm going to use it myself, which I said I was anyway, but I'm going to do the video so you guys can see exactly the step-by-step on how to do it. And then when I get the product from them, I can start using it. And then my subsequent update videos where I'm talking about, you know, my progress, you'll see that the progress or lack thereof is going to be with this, the medication that I'm getting through Blink Health. Okay, so let's start there. So first of all, I called Keeps to cancel my prescription. If we take a look over here, I'll show you that I am using this Finasteride and Monoxidil foam. So like 120 bucks every 3 months is what I was paying. And you know, it adds up after a while. So I found that through Blink I could pay a lot less, and I'll show you that here in a second. It's in the last video, but of course when I'm buying it you're gonna see it again. But one thing I wanted to show, and I'll use this in my next 6-month update video on my hair, is I didn't realize how far I had really come. I didn't realize in the Keeps website until I came to cancel that they have this progress tracker in here. And like this picture here, looking at this right here, I have gotten a lot of that back. Now it's not perfect. Of course, if you guys have seen my videos, you know it's not perfect as of yet, but I've only been about 5 months now. But I didn't realize, this was the picture that I took when I was applying for a prescription through Keeps. They make you take these 3 photos, and that's how they give you the online consultation to give you the prescription for it or deny you the prescription for it. So this was my, on June 2nd, this was my picture right here. And this one is more profound to me than even this one over here, because it was coming halfway up, you know, the top of my crown. Like it was really, I was losing it, and literally and figuratively. So I've really seen some gains in this area a lot. So anyway, I digress. I called Keeps to cancel my prescription. Now, to their credit, one thing I will say is, to their credit, they did offer me a reduction in cost because, you know, they asked me why was I canceling, and I said it was cost. And I want to say like 20 bucks off, so it would have just been like 100 per month, or not per month, for every 3 months. I still get it cheaper through Blinks, but I will give them, you know, I'm transparent. I don't have anything against Keeps. They started me in the process. They did offer me a reduction, and I didn't haggle with them. Maybe I could have got it down more, but Blink Health is a lot cheaper. So I just was like, you know what, let me go. And besides, I'd already told you guys to use it, and I was going to use it, so I was going to go back on my word in that regard. So that, anyway, that's neither here nor there. Now, as far as Blink Health, let's start off on the website. You're gonna have to come to Blink Health, and the first thing that I would recommend that you do on Blink Health is sign up for an account. That was what I had to do, so I just signed up for an account. Obviously it's free. It's just email address and a password to get signed up, and that's it. Once you sign up, the next thing that you would have to do is, when you go through the process of trying to purchase it, you're gonna have to put in your old doctor's name. So let's just go jump right into it so you guys can see. I need Finasteride. Help me out there. Okay. So Finasteride, I'm gonna go ahead and do, obviously 30 tablets is 1 month, so I'm gonna try to keep these at 3-month intervals. So I'm gonna do 90 tablets. I'm gonna hit update. So now you see it's $24.95. It was $8.95 for 30, so $25 basically for not for 3 months. So that's that. And I'm gonna go ahead and actually I already have it added to my cart. So I'll just add it to the cart anyway, so you guys can see the whole process. Add the cart, boom, and the next thing I have to do is put in a actually proceed to checkout. Let's just do that. Proceed to checkout. Do you have a prescription for Finasteride? Yes. Yes, I already have. Continue. Now I have to put in my address. Now, where I hit continue at, what you guys didn't see, because I did this before when I was setting up my account, it did ask me for my doctor's name so they could transfer the prescription from that doctor to their database. And so all I did was I went back into the Keeps. I went back to the Keeps and I went to my doctor messaging info. I found the doctor's name. I put it in, and as I was typing in the doctor's name, it auto-populated, so that made me feel good because Blink saw the doctor. As I typed in a few letters, it had his name pop right up. I just clicked on that name, added it to my account, and so that was that. Then here, I'm going to put in my address. I'm not going to let you guys see that. You might come visit me. I don't need that. Okay, I'm back. Took a little bit of a detour. It was having problems taking in my address, but I think I got that taken care of now. So I'm on this last page where I'm actually doing the secure checkout. Do you have any allergies, health conditions, other medications? No, no, no. You know, continue here. All right, so now it's asking for my card number. Wouldn't you guys like? Hey, you know, for as much money as I spend on this card, you would think that I know it verbatim, but I don't. All righty. So what I'm gonna do is put in my little old handy dandy credit card info so I can get these rewards points. Cash back, you feel me? Okay. My bad for not having this ready, because I don't know why I forgot that I was gonna have to pay for this stuff. But okay, we good now. We good. Alrighty. Okay, so we got that information in, and let's see if it's gonna let us enter email address and mobile phone number. Sure, why not? So on this next screen, has me enter my email address and my phone number, which I will be doing now. No, I don't want any marketing messages. Sure. It gives you an option where it asks, do you want to include medication names in your email and your text messages? That's fine. I know what I'm ordering. It's just one medication. It's not for ED, so I can deal with it. Somebody else knows. All right, so on this last screen here, it's showing me, my order summary. It's got the Finasteride, the $24.95 for the 90 tablets, my payment method, my delivery address. I'm just reading it to you because, obviously my payment info and my delivery address is on here, but that's the last screen, the order summary. As a matter of fact, I can try to edit this where, I don't know, I'm still learning all this video editing stuff, so if I can get it where I can cover that stuff up, I'll put the screen up. But if I can't, hey, you got to take my word for it. So we're going to hit this button here, complete purchase, and boom. Purchase is complete. Charge my card. Order received. So the steps that they're going to be doing is they're going to first get my prescription, and they're going to get it from my doctor. They're going to contact him, verify the information that I had a prescription, blah, 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 blah. And then I'm sure they'll be sending me email updates on this. As a matter of fact, I called Blink Health prior to making this video just to kind of make sure that I had this whole process correct. And they do have a auto refill feature where, kind of like Keeps, where it just automatically just renews you and renews you and renews you until the refills on your prescription runs out. So if the doctor gives you like a 1-year prescription, they're giving you so many amount of refills to fill it out for the year. So as long as you still have refills available, then Blink will, you can do the auto refill. If you're out of auto refill, and this is another question that a lot of people did ask me. they asked, like, what if I don't have a prescription already? You can do it directly through them. It's only $5. $5. So nothing outrageous or really expensive to get you started. So if you didn't start off with Keeps, and if you watch my videos in subsequent order, and you came to that last video that I did where I was telling you to use Blink, but you haven't used Keeps or For Hims or any if you don't have a prescription, it's not a problem. You can do it directly through this website. So that was my recommendation, everyone. And to tie everything up, I told you guys that I'm using the Finasteride, which is the pill that helps stop the hair loss, and the Monoxidil, Rogaine, is what you put on the hair to help grow back the hair. So you use both of those things to try to, you know, regrow your hair. And so obviously if I'm stopping Keeps, that's where I was getting my Monoxidil from. I told you can go to, you know, Walgreens, Walmart, Target, wherever, CVS. But I found that the Costco brand, Kirkland, is like dollar for dollar, foam for foam, ounce for ounce, your best price. So I'm going to order here on the Costco wholesale website, and you get 6 foam canisters, which is basically, each canister should last you 1 month. It's basically a 6-month supply for $50, which is a lot cheaper than what I was getting off the Keeps website. And so I'm down to I'm almost to my last canister from Keeps. So I'm gonna go ahead and order this now, so that come February when I'm starting off my new stuff, I should be good to go. So I'm gonna add this to the cart. And I'm not sure if I have to sign in and register, but you don't need a prescription or anything for this. So this process should be pretty straightforward for you guys. As a matter of fact, if it gives me, I can see my internet's giving me a little problem right now. So for the sake of saving time, I'm not gonna worry about that right now. This should be a pretty straightforward buy. Purchase. You do not need a prescription again for this. You can just put it in the cart and buy it. You don't even have to go with this brand if you don't want to. A question that I got asked a lot was, is this the same as what Keeps sells? The active ingredients are the exact same. So the thing that's supposed to help grow the hair is the same for Keeps, the same for this one, same for Rogaine. If you go look at them, you'll see. Some of the other ingredients that makes the foam, the consistency and things like that might be different, but the active ingredient, the medicine part of it that's working, is the same ingredient. So I don't think you see any difference in results, and that's why I'm documenting everything I'm doing, so that I can tell you truthfully in a few months if I'm seeing anything different, like less improvements or more improvements or what have you. But based on everything that I've read thus far, I don't think you'll experience any negative or adverse effects from using this product. I think you're just gonna see the benefit of saving money. And so yeah, that's it. I got the Finasteride ordered. It'll be out in a few days. I probably won't be switching over into the new products until February. So I probably can't start giving you an update until maybe 2 months after that or so. But I will obviously come back and do another video. Now, my 6 months on Finasteride journey is next month around the 16th. So around January 16th or so, I have to look at the days, I'll be uploading another video showing my progress at that point in time. But so far so good. I'm happy. I'm feeling a lot more confident, so it's helping me. Another question I get asked a lot is about any side effects. I have not seen any. I think side effects is a euphemism for sex drive, because that's the big thing that everybody talks about. No problems here in that area as of yet. I don't know. You know, I can't speak for everybody else, but for me, all the plumbing working properly, so no complaints there. So yeah, other than that, if you guys have any other questions or comments, drop them in there. I try my best to respond to every single comment that I got. As a matter of fact, if you look at the comments underneath my old videos, I'm pretty sure that I haven't missed a reply on any single person, no matter if it's just like, hey, thanks, or whatever. So if you have a question, you put in a comment, I will get back to it and let you know and help you out best I can from what I know. So peace out. We'll see you guys in the next one. Happy New Year. I'll see y'all guys in 2021. Peace.